First of all, we want to bring the image. This is the image that we are going to use. Okay, let's select the setting of text, and this is the setting of the text that you can use whatever you want and whatever you like, everything up to you. And now we want to bring the image back, and we want to put the image back of the text. Go to object, arrange and send back. Okay, now we want to expand the text. Go to object, expand and okay. Then we want to go to the pathfinder where we want to unite the text. Okay, click on it, unite, and then we want to go back to the object and we want to select the compound path, then select make. Okay, now we need to select both of them to make the clipping mask and make it. Okay, perfect. Thanks for enjoying the video.